Hey, what's up everybody? In this video I'm gonna show you how to open your Google Ads account. Guys, Google Ads account is usually under your original Gmail account. Like every Google product is always under your Gmail account. So what you need to do, once you log in your Google, your Gmail, you will see always option in the top right corner, Google Apps, right? So guys, click on it and scroll down. When you scroll it down, you will see the option Google Ads. So click on it, Google Ads. So if you're not signing before, so it will take you to this type of window, and what you need to do is just click on start now if you not sign up on your Google Ads account before. So it will take you to the another window, this type of window. I have already set up Google Ads account, but if you do not have account, you will see this type of window without these accounts. So what you need to do is click on new Google Ads account. So once you click on new Google Ads account, it will take you to another window, this type of window, and they're gonna ask you to set up your campaign. So what you need to do, you need to skip this setup. So how you skip this setup? Leave everything, don't go with anything, just click on switch to expert mode. This option you will see when you scroll down your screen. Switch to expert mode, right? This is the thing that you need to do. Once you click on switch on expert mode, it will take you again to creation of the campaign. So what you need to do, leave without create campaign. So in the left side bottom, you will see this option, create an account without a campaign. So guys, click on it, and once you click on it, it will take you to another window where they're asking about the information of your business. So usually my customer have business in United States, so you need to put your country billing address, you need to put your country, you need to check your time zone, and you need to click your currency. Usually it's USD dollar. So once you click on it, click on submit, you are good to go and your account is open. So the next step is click on explore your account. Your account is open, right? So now you are officially created, that means Google Ads account. So what is the next step 2, which is compulsory and necessary to run campaign? Guys, you need to add your billing, right? So you need to add your billing option, your payment method into your account, so Google can activate your account and you will be able to run your campaigns on Google successfully. So how's you can add a payment method? You just need to click your billing country and add here your card detail, your zip code, whatever is it, and click on submit. So they're gonna tell you your card is successfully integrated. So this is the way that you can open your Google Ads account, right guys? Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Any question related to this, comment below on this video. I will respond to you. Thank you guys.